Cabin 9240, this is an inside cabin, but it's an inside quad. So if you're a family of four, this cabin would work for you. Now we'll come back to show you the cabins, but the two beds you see down there at the bottom, the two upper beds come from the ceiling. Now the fourth one is not down right now, but we like to show you this so you can see what kind of space you would have if these were down. Now, of course, if you want your cabin steward to put these up during the day so you have more room to move around, he can do that. But at nighttime, you can see what it would be like for the two people on the bottom if both the top beds were down, okay? You'd basically have to crawl in, okay? That being said, there are two twins when separated, one king, one together. There's some nightstands with USB power on them. Across from there, you have a mini fridge in there. You do have a coffee table that's sort of movable. Desk area, one 110, one European power, a little stool. There's a hair dryer in here, plus three other drawers, a safe behind here to store your valuables, and a TV, which is a little small by today's standards. The closet, this one's all cubbies, shelves. This one is all hanging. And there's also one behind the door that's larger than this one that is also all hanging. The bathroom, you have a smaller corner shower with a curtain. Toilet's in a great place for the taller fluffy, right? I'm 6'4", it's great for me. Over here by the sink, there are 6 shelves, 3 on this side, 3 on this side, makeup mirror, single basin sink, and there is power in here as well. Not too bad. So there you go. If you're a family of 4, would this be too tight for you? Or are you like, you know what, we're only gonna be in there to sleep and change and shower anyway? Let us know in the comments.